In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Biometrics and Password. Then tap on Lock Screen Password, hit Change Password Type and pick one of those login methods: 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern, or alphanumeric password. Then enter your screen lock, create it again, and when you finished and sure that you wish to use this one, hit Done at the bottom right corner. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!